Hello again, career exploration instructors. We have a couple more features in Canvas or iLearn that we want to just review so you're familiar with some things there. iLearn and Canvas are synonymous terms, so this is the system you want to go into. Here's the tab. When you click on that, it's going to pull up your access to courses that you're in and courses you can access. Your section should just be a GS 100 Fall 2021. This is my section I'll be teaching. There's a button here called Publish, and it's what makes all of your content accessible to the students. And it's recommended that you do that a few days before the semester starts. So the Thursday or Friday before class starts would be a good day to go in and publish your section so that your students can start accessing it. So that would be, I think, the 9th or the 10th next week, getting that published. When you go into your section here, there's an announcements feature. So last time we talked about sending an email out through the faculty tab. This is where you can send an announcement through the Canvas system. If you click there, you can create a new announcement here, clicking on the plus, and then you can type in your announcement and save it to your course. So that's a handy way to get information out to all your students, and it will let them know there's a new announcement for the class. Another feature is in the calendar section. So if you go here to calendar, we went through and got these corrected so that each week there's one of the assignments due. And they're standardly set on the Wednesday of the week. So if you teach on a Tuesday, you don't need to change any of these. But if you teach on a Monday, like my section's on a Monday, I need to move all of these assignments over to the Tuesday because the journal entry submissions are due the day after the class is held. So if you're on a Thursday, you'll want to move these all to the Friday, and you just simply drag and drop those over to where they go. So you'll want to do that in calendar because it will remind your students when those are due, and it will show them those due dates through the Canvas system on their end. Another thing that we need to look at here is something in the grading. So let's go, let me get back to that system. So I'm going to go back into my section here. And there's a link, a menu called Grades that you can go to. And this will show you all of your students and all of the assignments that are being submitted on one page. When they start coming in and you grade them, then their scores will all show up here. The cells also turn different colors if they're late or if other things happen that way. But on the test student here, I'm just going to show you if you go there and you're going to put a score in. If you go to the speed grader, that's where you can actually see the assignment they've submitted. And there's no submission here, but this is where you'd see the assignment or the link that they give you to their journal to grade. And then you'd put your grade here, add any comments, and submit the comments for each assignment that you're grading. And it will all show up back at this grades tab. You'll see all of the work that's being done. Now another feature to know about, these grades will not automatically go to 0. So there's a few ways to do that. One is just manually. If they haven't submitted it and it's past due, then you can go just click on it and put a 0 in there. Another way is at the top of the column here, there's those the ellipsis there, and you can then set a default grade. And the default grade you can set to be 0. And that way if it goes past being due and the student hasn't submitted anything, then it's going to put a default grade of 0 in that. And you would repeat that on each column for each week, or just do it manually. It's up to you. So those are some features within Canvas. There's certainly more things, but we want to make sure you at least had a quick view of those. So again, send me any questions that you have. Thanks.